Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working on this Ford. This is 2022 Ford F-150. If you have similar, or I believe like year 2021 and up, I have a basic one. They're all kind of similar. And you want to replace this door handle, the exterior one. What you want to do is, I have this, the one I bought on eBay, I believe. See, I don't have a plug here, but if you do have a plug here, make sure when you pull it out, you don't ink it too hard, so you can unplug it and throw it back in there and then just take it out. Or you can take the door panel off, unplug it, and then you can ink it off because you can unplug it from the inside. But I don't have it. But if you do, like I said, either take this part apart and do it from the inside, or when you take it out, carefully unplug it and then pull it out, because you will be able to pull out with it a little bit. But I can't show you because I don't have it on mine. Let's get working. So what you want to do is remove this. Either you have some kind of plastic so you don't scratch the car piece. I just grab my nails and I'm able to just pull it off like that. Then a lot of people show it, but they don't show what size. I've noticed that mine's 5mm works just fine, and it's right here, right close by. It's not too far, right in there, just like that. What I noticed, you gotta go, I believe, counterclockwise. Left is which way is this way to tighten it, right? And this is the passenger side. It might be similar on the driver's side. And then when you do it, it should go easier and easier. But if it's tightening, that's wrong then. But it should be counterclockwise this way. While you're doing this, you have to hold this. Just be careful because it'll pop on you. But keep holding it, and then it should pop off this side. That's how you take it off. To put a new one, if you have a plug, you would plug it in right here. The plug still sticks out. If not, just match it up. You'll hear a little click. And now you go clockwise. That's it for this one. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. That'll help me a bunch. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.